If any competitor offer the same product within cheaper price, what should you do? I got this question from many of my clients. So today my topic is how to handle the competitor price objection. You can say it in another way like my competitor giving more discount than me. Now what should I do? You have to ask your customer 3 questions. But before saying you the 3 questions, I want to tell you what you should avoid. You should avoid giving more discount than your competitor. Look, if you start giving discount, there is no end. Suppose you give him more discount than your competitor. What will do? The customer will again go to your competitor shop and start telling him, your competitor is giving me more discount. Won't you give me? So the shopkeeper will say, okay, I will give you more discount. So the customer start playing with both of you and he makes you dance. So if you answer him rudely, the whole situation will be out of your hand. Now you have to handle it smartly. What you can do? Ask your customer 3 questions. Number 1. Ask him politely, Sir, I totally agree with you, but just of a curiosity, I have a question in my mind. Do you want quality or discount? Number 2 questions. Sir, I can also give you discount, but I am thinking about the quality. If I start giving discount, I cannot maintain the quality properly. You have to suffer in the long run. But my competitor is not thinking about this. He just want a limited time sale. He does not have doing long term plan maybe. But I am thinking about the long term longevity of your product. Third question. Sir, if I match the price with him, I have a question. From whom you will buy this product? Obviously he will say from you, and ask him, Sir, why you will buy from us? Maybe he will say, your product quality is good. I have heard your name from my friends or family member or colleagues. I got reference about you. Your after sales service is better. Then tell him, Sir, for this reason, our price is little bit higher. Don't tell him we are cheap because people don't like cheap product. People need the best product according to their budget. But among you, there are many people I know who will tell me, the customer will say, I will buy from the competitor shop. Then what will you say? Okay, look, logically it's not possible. Since he did not purchase from my competitor shop, it means he have interest on my product. Actually, he is also confused. Should I purchase from that shop at lower price? Maybe the quality is not good. Or he is already confused. What should he do? He does not have proper clarity. That's why he stand in front of your business. But when you talk to him like this, when you tell him the reason, when you handle him smartly, he will start thinking you are not a product seller. You are a problem solver. So, I hope you understand what should you do from next if anyone asks you about the price. Thanks for watching.